Hello everyone, my name is Leah Blackford, leasing consultant here at Diamond Oaks Village, and today we're going to take a look at our Sabro A 2-bedroom, 2-bath floor plan, 1,092 square feet. And one of the special things that we have about this apartment is it is our last apartment available. It's our 2-bedroom, 2-bath corner unit, and it's got some great amenities inside of it, so let's go ahead and take a look. Where we're starting right now is kind of in between your living room and your dining room. So you have your living room area, plenty of space for a couch, your entertainment center that can hold your TV, maybe even a little lounger as well. And over here, which is my right, is going to be your dining room area. Plenty of room for a nice dining room table. You can enjoy some lunch with friends, maybe if you want to play a card game as well, or have a nice little drink of wine together. Right off of your living room and dining room, we're going to have our kitchen. Plenty of space, a lot of natural lighting. And then we have also the 2 windows for you, stainless steel appliances, wood cabinetry, and as well granite countertops. All apartments do come fully equipped kitchens for you, so you'll be happy to make your lovely meals here in your own apartment. Right off of our kitchen area, we have our screened-in balcony. Every apartment here at Diamond Oaks Village does have a screened-in balcony. So you have plenty of space, beautiful view. You can put some chairs, a table. Being that it's a corner unit, it has a wonderful side curved balcony for you. And you also have the electrical outlet, so if you would like to add some lighting, you could do so as well. Right through this direction here, we'll actually close the door for us. So right through, we're gonna go to the master bedroom. Great amount of space here in your master bedroom. Again, the natural light still coming through for you, especially here in sunny Florida. But you have plenty of room for a queen size bed, even a king size bed if you wanted to as well. Your dresser could go on the back wall that you have right here too for you. And then also, we're gonna walk right on in to your bathroom and your large master closet. Follow me. So first we'll take a look at the closet. Plenty of space, huge room. You can hang all of your clothes, stack your shoes, your bags, many things as well. And even if you wanted a small dresser, you could fit that in the closet as well. Into your bathroom, you have a great amount of storage space in your vanity for the drawers and the under cabinet area, and a wonderful walk-in shower that also has the sliding glass doors for you. Now we're going to go ahead and take a look. One of the great amenities is you have your own washer and dryer right here in your apartment. So right in the entryway here, you're going to have your full-size, side-by-side washer and dryer units, and everything's maintenance-free living. So if anything's not working properly, you let us know and we'll be happy to fix that for you. Now, thinking about moving to an apartment, you might think about downsizing, and you might need some storage. Well, this apartment here has a large storage closet for you. You can stack your bins, you could even add some extra shelving if need be, put your holiday decor in there, and then this one, maybe even a desk. So right over here is going to be your second bathroom, so your guest bathroom for you. A great amount of space as well for guests. Double entryway, so if you do have someone over, they don't have to walk through the bathroom necessarily or the bedroom. You have your walk-in shower, and then this is your second bedroom. Great amount of space as well. It will as well fit a queen size bed, nice and comfortable. King size as well too. And a good size closet that you have here for you in your guest bedroom. And last but not least, in addition to the storage closet, you also have a nice linen closet, or maybe it's a craft closet if you make this an art studio. So you have plenty of room and space here in the apartment, and I do highly suggest that you give me a call or come to visit us and take a tour, because again, this is our last 2-bedroom, 2-bath Sabro A floor plan. Hope to hear from you soon.